Danny Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. Today I'm giving you an overview of the Termary DIY Hybrid Mattress. This is available in a 10-inch or 12-inch thickness, and it's a hybrid mattress. So that means that it has a latex layer with a coil unit underneath. This mattress is made with a zippered cotton cover, a wool fire barrier, and comfort layer. The wool is part of the cover, so when you take the cover off, it's a zippered cover, so that wool is quilted in with the cotton. And beneath that we have a 2-inch Dunlop latex layer, and for the 12-inch mattress we have another 2-inch Dunlop latex layer. So the firmness is, they're available in soft, medium, firm, and extra firm. And depending on your mattress configuration, then you will get a different configuration of latex layers. Certifications are GOLS latex, GOTS cotton, OEKO-TEX, and eco-INSTITUT. If you want more details about what each certification is, head over to my website, naturalmattressfinder.com, and type certifications into the search bar, and you'll get to a post that explains all about the certifications. It comes with free shipping, free returns, 120-day trial, 20-year warranty, and it is made in Charlotte, North Carolina. Latex is manufactured in tropical regions of the world. The latex tree, the Hevea brasiliensis, does not grow in the United States or even Canada for that matter. So there are a certain degree of imported components from this mattress, but it is a company that is based in North Carolina and it ships from the USA. So we do have some key specifications for this mattress, some things that make it unique. The material is Dunlop latex, and this is the most pristine form of latex you will find. The latex is GOLS certified, that's the Global Organic Latex Standard. This is how you can tell if the mattress is genuinely natural and organic. Don't fall for any of these other mattress companies that call the latex natural, and if it doesn't have this certification, the GOLS, then I would stay clear of those mattresses. They might have just a 2 or 3% portion of that latex foam that is natural latex, and the rest can be synthetic latex. So if you want to avoid the VOCs and all of the nasty chemicals that go into the foam manufacturing, go with Dunlop latex foam that is certified by GOLS, and that is what is in this mattress, the DIY hybrid mattress from Termary. Why would somebody choose the Termary DIY hybrid mattress? You have Customizable Comfort. The DIY design allows users to adjust the firmness by swapping latex layers, ensuring a personalized sleep experience. The zippered cover makes it easy to modify or replace components over time. You can swap out the latex layers if you so choose, swap it out for a different firmness if it's not to your liking. It's a hybrid, so it has that combination of foam and spring coils. This provides both contouring and responsiveness, making it ideal for sleepers who need pressure relief and bounce. So if you like the feel of a traditional spring coil mattress, then this is something that is definitely interesting for you. It does have a QuadCoil system that enhances durability and prevents sagging over time. So this coil unit will have a reinforced perimeter. So that means when you sleep on the edge of the mattress or you sit on the edge of the bed, you won't have any excessive sagging. This DIY hybrid latex mattress from Termary also has superior breathability and cooling. So this is made with perforated latex foam and pocketed coils that promote airflow and reduces heat retention. The latex, when it's manufactured, has a lot of these pinholes that are all over it. This has 2 uses. So when it's cured, These raw heated rods help cure the foam evenly, and also this increases the breathability of the foam. The air can circulate in these pinholes and promote the breathability. Also, the natural wool layer helps to regulate temperature, keeping the sleepers cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The mattress is eco-friendly and sustainable. It's made from organic latex, recycled steel coils, and natural wool that ensures a non-toxic sleep surface. So if you're interested in having a mattress that is not emitting VOCs, volatile organic compounds, into your home environment, then this is very important. Volatile organic compounds are things that seep out of petrochemical-based materials. They're in the air. These are actually molecules. You breathe them in and they do enter your bloodstream like that through the lungs. So something like a new car, when you sit in a new car, that smell, that is toxic molecules entering your body. So avoid that at all costs. So it's free from chemical, flame retardants, fiberglass, and synthetic foams. This mattress is ideal for motion isolation and edge support. It's got pocketed coils which minimize motion transfer, and it makes it a great choice for couples. The reinforced edge support increases usable sleep surface and prevents sagging at the sides. So if you want to see more specifications about this mattress, head over to naturalmattressfinder.com. You can go right to the blog post I am looking at right now, and you also have the ability to view this mattress and compare it against other mattresses from other manufacturers, and also the other ternary mattresses. Right here on the homepage, you'll get access to this comparison table where you can compare mattresses from Spindle, Ternary, Sleep Easy, Plush Beds, Avocado, Migraine Mattress, Latex Mattress Factory, Latex for Less, and there are so many brands. But what's great about this comparison table is that these are curated for mattresses that are all certified by GOLS, that's the Global Organic Latex Standard, and typically also GOTS, that's the Global Organic Textile Standard. They're all here in one place at naturalmattressfinder.com, and you can also, through this, access the website, which is the one we were looking at here, the DIY mattress. It's here. You can also check the latest price and get to the mattress like that and see more specifications on the manufacturer website. My name is Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. Thanks so much for checking out this video about the Ternary DIY Hybrid Mattress. Have a fantastic sleep tonight, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.